Yes, sir.
So you are from Rohtak.
Yes, sir.
And you are also a law graduate from Campus Law Center,
Yes, sir.
University of Delhi.
Yes, sir.
So who is the Chancellor of University of Delhi?
Sir, Mr. Vice President of India is
Who is
correct.
Vice President of India?
Sir, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu.
Venkaiah Naidu belongs to which state?
Sir, I'm not aware about it.
Okay. So, what is the difference between a district judge and sessions judge?
Some session judge overtakes the criminal cases in the city, and district judge takes the civil cases. I
So what is the difference between civil case and criminal case?
Sir, civil cases attracts the penalty and the liability of the person, and the criminal cases attracts the penalty as well as the punishment for the same. Civil cases are against the individuals, and criminal cases are against the state, sir.
You would have heard about Indian Penal Code,
Yes, sir.
IPC.
Yes, sir.
So when it came into force?
Sir, 1860, sir.
1860.
Yes, sir.
And CRPC?
Sir, 1973.
1973.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when Indian Penal Code came into action, was implemented,
Yes, sir.
who was the Viceroy of British India?
Sir, Lord Ripon, sir. I'm not sure about it, sir.
1860,
I'm-
just 3 years after the revolt of 1857.
So then Lord Dalhousie would
Why
be.
Lord Dalhousie? Lord Dalhousie was from 1848 to 1856.
Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall
Because
right now.
While you were doing your BA from Rajdhani College,
Yes, sir.
one of your subject was history.
Yes, sir.
That's why you should have known it.
Yes, sir.
And when University of Delhi was established?
Sir, 1922.
1922
22.
confirmed.
Sir, 22 or 23, that is the.
But you are not confirmed this much, okay?
Yes, sir.
And when CBSE board was established?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it right now.
Okay. So your last preference is border security for BSF. Why?
Yes. So when I looked into the profile of all forces, I found CISF to be more suitable to me.
CSF to be more safe, rather, I would say.
So I may get to work in good infrastructure, may get to face the modern warfare system as well as the Naxalite areas, both combinations. And BSF would give me only the exposure to the border areas. And
Exposure to the Pakistani guns.
so it is also one of the efficient forces of our nation, but I personally went for the CISF, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of LLB?
Sir, Bachelor in Law.
Then why there are two L?
Sir, we have the Latin full form of it in Legum Bacheloris. Maybe that was the reason they gave it that way, sir.
Who is Dean of Campus Law Center?
Sir, recently when I passed out, it was Mrs. Usha Tandon, and currently I'm not aware about it, sir.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
Still Usha Tandon is your dean.
Yes, sir.
Why the sex ratio of your state, your home state Haryana,
Yes, sir.
is too bad?
Sir, there are several reasons for it. That sex determination is on high rate. The infanticide killing for the one of the other reason, and the dowry death cases are increasing in the state. And sir, the preconception and prenatal diagnostic act was made, but it is not into that much law enforcement in the state. And though the state is taking several steps like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, but currently it is on the rise, sir. But it has not achieved the target to that extent, sir.
Achha, who is your favorite politician from Haryana?
Sir, Mr. Anil Vij, sir.
Mr. Anil Vij.
Yes, sir.
So who is he?
Sir, he is the current MLA from the Ambala region, Ambala Kent. And I personally feel that he takes the actions on the spot, sir. He is good in that, and he is a good
Sir, he
decision.
was into some controversy with a lady IPS officer.
Yes,
You
sir.
heard about
Yes, sir. I heard
Anil
about.
Vij, Mr. Anil Vij?
Yes, sir.
Who was that lady officer?
So I'm not able to recall the name right now, but he said he's used some inappropriate words against her in a public meeting, sir.
This Anil Vij. Mr.
Yes,
Anil
sir.
Vij.
Yes, sir.
And he is your favorite politician.
Sir, he has good quality as well. I like his good
Then
qualities.
why you used some inappropriate words against that lady officer?
So he must have been punished for that, and the action should have been taken by the
Must be
state.
punished.
He
You are
actions.
saying this.
I am not aware about.
He is your he is representative.
Sorry, sir.
And you are telling that he must be punished.
He must have been punished if
He
it.
must have been punished.
Yes, sir. Some actions should have been taken against him.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have participated in youth baton relay inter-school basketball. Achha.
Yes.
There are how many players in a basketball team?
So playing are 5 and extras are 7 in it.
Extra 7. Why so much extras? So many extras are there.
So it is a game of high endurance and strength. So there are high chances of injuries taking place in the game. So the plays are kept high in extras.
What is the difference between yoga and meditation?
Sir, both of them are somewhat interrelated. Yoga is the concentration of the physical activity, physical strength of the body, and meditation is the concentration over the mind, sir.
Over the mind.
Yes, sir.
Achha. And what is the difference between walking, jogging and running?
Sir, walking is like we go for a normal walk, and jogging is like something the speed is below 6 miles per hour, and in running,
6 miles or 6 kilometers?
sir, 6 miles, sir.
6 miles.
Yeah,
confirm?
yes, sir.
Okay.
And running is that is again the greater than 6 miles per hour.
Okay. And what food do you cook?
So usually I go for nutritional food, and I go for different combinations of food. But personally, I prefer to make bhindi for me, sir.
Achha, what is the difference between protein and vitamin?
So protein is a macronutrient, and micronutrient is vitamin, and protein is the bodybuilding component of the our diet, and vitamin is good for absorption in our body, absorption of food, sir.
Who is the national champion male in Indian badminton?
Sir, Kashyap, sir.
Who Kashyap?
Perupalli Kashyap.
Rupal Kashyap.
Yes, sir.
Achha. And female, who is the national champion in badminton?
So there are 2 rivalries in between PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal, but I personally,
National champion.
yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, I personally prefer PV Sindhu.
No, I am asking who is the current national champion in female?
So last year there was a clash of both of these, PV Sindhu and
Who won?
sir, the Saina Nehwal won, sir.
Saina won. Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलिए।
रोहित, ग्रेजुएशन में आपका सब्जेक्ट बीए भी आपने किया हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
हिंदी, पॉलिटिकल साइंस सब रहा।
Yes, sir.
ये हिंदी में रीतिकाल और भक्तिकाल, ये 2 चीजें आती हैं।
Yes, sir.
पहले कौन है, रीतिकाल आया है कि भक्तिकाल आया है?
So I studied it way back in 2014, so I'm not able to recall.
6 साल हुआ।
जी सर. सर कब से कनेक्शन भी नहीं था इससे, सर.
पॉलिटिकल साइंस
वो भी तभी पढ़ा था सर, पर कभी कभार मतलब जैसे न्यूज़पेपर्स में हेडिंग्स तो आई हैं सर. आई एम नो.
न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं?
यस सर.
क्या थी न्यूज़पेपर में?
Sir, the main heading was about Gupkar Declaration, and so Gupkar Declaration is the 6 political parties of Jammu and Kashmir are aligning and are going for a proposal to revive the Article 370 and 335 है sir.
आपके अनुसार क्या होना चाहिए? 370 जो रिमूव किया गया वो रिमूव होना चाहिए था या नहीं होना?
Yes sir, it is a good step by the government sir, and it will be a good result as well in the coming days. Though gradual changes have been noticed in the.
इसे 2 पार्टों में लेकिन बांट दिया गया।
Sir, it was a demand from Ladakh for last few years, and keeping that in mind, and dividing it into 2 union territories would boost the development of both the areas, focusing differently over both the areas, sir.
कुकिंग आपकी हॉबी है?
Yes, sir.
कुकिंग करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, भारत के 3 मशहूर जो कुकिंग वाले हैं,
Yes, sir.
से
यस सर.
उनका नाम बता सकते हैं?
सर मैं मतलब
आपकी हॉबी है तो इसके बारे में तो आपको जानना चाहिए।
so I know about Sanjeev Kapoor. I have seen his show. Sometimes when I am not able to know, when I don't know about any dish and I want to make it, I go for the videos over YouTube.
संजीव कपूर कौन है? इसके
सर
बारे में कुछ जानते हैं?
So I just know that he proposes a show and the competitors competitors come from the different parts of the nation and they make food, and I just know that about that, sir.
गीता महोत्सव नाम सुना है?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ होता है?
Sir, in Kurukshetra, sir.
क्यों यहाँ यहीं पे?
Sir, Kurukshetra is sacred place where the Mahabharata took place, and the place is renowned for its holiness, and even the Brahma Sarovar in Kurukshetra and the Gita Mandir is located, and so the place is located that way, sir.
चल काफ़ी ज़्यादा लास्ट ईयर विवाद हुआ था आर्टिकल ये CRPC या IPC का सेक्शन 376
Yes, sir.
क्या है?
Sir, it decriminalizes the unnatural sex of a male or female, and it was abrogated by the state or by the judiciary, and the step was into the direction to give equal protection to the LGBT communities, sir.
क्या आपको लगता है कि LGBT कम्युनिटी को बढ़ावा भारत में दिया जाना चाहिए या नहीं दिया जाना? आप किसके पक्षधर हैं, उसके पक्ष में या विपक्ष में?
So I favor the move, sir. Yes, sir. They have their rights, and any sexual activity is the private act of a person. So it was basically motivated after the Right to Privacy Act, sir. The Right to Privacy case.
इसको तो सोशल इफेक्ट के द्वारा के कारण इसको प्रतिबंधित किया गया था।
Sir, it was declared illegal again by the Delhi High Court, but when the case came before the Supreme Court, it was abrogated as it is a section that violates their right to equality, sir.
अच्छा, इस DG में कितने गोल्स हैं?
17, sir.
श्योर ना?
Yes, sir.
इसको कहाँ पे पहली बार इसको कैसे कहाँ पेश किया गया? पहली बार ये कब आया?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall it.
रिसेंट में देखा गया है कि इंडिया की ग्रोथ रेट जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो रही है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रोथ रेट है। 5वीं PPP के आधार पर थर्ड इकोनॉमी हम बन चुके हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद जब करप्शन इंडेक्स आता है या HDI इंडेक्स आता है, मल्टी पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स आता है, उसमें सबसे पिछड़े देशों में शामिल किया जाता है। ऐसा क्यों?
Sir, sometimes the parameters of the international level and the working of our Indian government does not match, and the other reasons are like the laws are made, but the law enforcement is not into the right direction, sir. And thirdly, I would say the agencies working for the upliftment of these goals are somewhere not acting in an efficient manner, and they are acting somewhere in a malified manner, sir.
कई बार चर्चा में मेव समुदाय रहता है, हरियाणा का मेव समुदाय।
Yes, sir.
ऐसा क्यों? कई बार विवाद में भी ये गिरा रहता है।
Sir, that section is one of the most economic backward section of the state, and they are though the state government is taking the actions to uplift them in the society, but the literacy rate of those areas is still to the minimum level, and the education of the girl child also whenever seen those areas are lacking behind the overall measurement of the state. So I would say, sir, these are the few reasons that these regions are considered in that way, sir.
रिसेंट में काफ़ी कंट्रोवर्सी रही है। अगर आपके अनुसार आप किसका पक्ष लेंगे? अगर जो न्यूज चैनल हैं
Yes,
वो
sir.
लगातार किसी पर आघात कर रहे हैं, किसी
Yes.
पर अटैक कर रहे हैं, किसी के व्यक्तिगत मामलों पर,
Yes, sir.
ठीक, पर्सनल मामलों पर अटैक कर रहे हैं,
Yes, sir.
आप किसका पक्ष लेंगे? या इनको बोलने दिया जाना चाहिए या उनको रोकना चाहिए? क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी किसी के राइट्स।
Yes, sir. So the media has the extraordinary powers to to take the of the freedom of press, and they have the right to speech and express and bring before the society the truth of the scene. But there has to be a fine balance between the personal right of the individual as well. Those agencies cannot work. Those agencies cannot take away these rights of the fundamental rights of the citizens. And I would say the media also has to be somewhere cautious about the situation, that if they are hurting the personal sentiments or the religious sentiments of a particular individual or a community, sir.
सपोज अभी भारत और चाइना के बॉर्डर पर हुआ तो उसमें एक फोर्स का नाम है बिहार रेजिमेंट, वैसे ये सिख रेजिमेंट, जाट रेजिमेंट।
यस सर।
आपको नहीं लगता कि भारत में जाति व्यवस्था को समाप्त करने के लिए
यस सर,
जरूरत है कि सेना में भी जाति व्यवस्था समाप्त की जाए? जाति और वर्ग के नाम पर जो रेजिमेंट का नाम रखा गया है, इससे कहीं ना कहीं जाति व्यवस्था को प्रोत्साहन मिल रहा है, प्रमोट किया जा रहा है। आप इस बात से सहमत हैं?
Sir, if I consider the case of any particular regiment, though taking the example of Sikh regiment, it is not that any other individual other than the Sikh cannot join those particular regiments. These regiments were made way back before independence, and these have been continued by our Indian governments, Indian law implementing agencies. So I would say, sir, if these particular methods hurt the personal sentiments of any individual, these should be done away with, sir. But if these bring some energy to these people to work on the basis of caste, these are a good step, sir.
फिर भी ये होता है ना कि जैसे सपोज दैट मान लीजिए सिख रेजिमेंट है, जाट रेजिमेंट,
Yes, sir.
कई और जातियां हैं जो रेजिमेंट के नाम के लिए संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, जैसे अहिर रेजिमेंट।
Yes, sir.
बहुत दिन से यादव लोग लगे हैं अहिर रेजिमेंट के लिए,
Yes, sir.
पठान लगे हैं पठान रेजिमेंट के लिए।
Yes, sir.
तो जब इनको नहीं मिलता है और किसी दूसरे के नाम के रेजिमेंट में इनको जाना पड़ता है, तो क्या इनके सेंटिमेंट्स नहीं प्रभावित होंगे? हमारे नाम पर भी होना चाहिए।
So if this is the situation, then these regiments things should be done away with, sir. These should be abrogated, and a new method should be implemented where we can go for any regional based these reservations, like making Punjab regiment, making Haryana regiment, making Delhi regiment. That would boost the feeling of patriotism towards the nation, sir.
अच्छा, रोहित शैतान सिंह का नाम आपने सुना है?
No, sir.
अभी रोहतक के साथ इसी एरिया के शैतान सिंह भाटी।
Sorry, sir, I am not able. No, sir.
आप फोर्स में जा रहे हैं, फोर्स में हरियाणा से कितने लोगों को परमवीर चक्र मिला है?
Sir, not counted any of them. No, sir.
ठीक है, आपको बुलाते हैं।
ठीक है।
Thank you, sir.